Day. As lang bayad, day.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken.
Yung friends ko! Good morning! Good morning po!
Bakit may bro?
Hi, Apple. Hi. Monique. And meet my friend. Hi, Mitch. Hindi ko siya guguloy kasi nagpabalik siya. Kaya behave
Eyes on
ka.
the road.
Eyes on the road. So, ayun na nga mga kaibigan. Another adventures for
Say hi to my vlog.
Been around, but I can't get
Where are we
you
going,
out of
Mitch?
my head. Try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you are what I needed this whole time.
Hi ladies!
Hi, we're here.
Welcome
And-
to
Dulin.
Dulin!
Yeah.
Dulin! 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 Dulin!
No one else has got me feeling this way.
Kaya siya nag-focus sa mga flower. Kaya siya nag-enjoy sa
Every
flower.
hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. Something about you makes me wanna be with you for a long time. Do ba do be do do be do do day. Do ba do be do do be do day. Do ba do be do do be do day.
770.
Do ba do be do
Oh, this one, oh, ikaw, ipantay nyo na. Kaya lang hindi siya rose gold. Dapat
Ay,
rose
hindi
gold
lang
para
mga
maganda.
hindi rose gold.
Nag-uwi ako ng ganyan pasalubong sa Pilipinas. Sobrang like nila.
Talaga?
Kasi di ba yung mga clove? Oo. Tapos magaan lang siya, hindi siya mabigat.
He took me far from home. He said this place I know. It's a place make you confess. Tell me your dirty secrets, yo. Get dressed fast, let's go. And if they chase us down, don't ever look back. You'll be safe in my arms. Jumped in his car. We hardly spoke. Hardly a sound. He couldn't keep his eyes out on the road. He called me a star. He said you're gonna blow. 25 kilo till we pass the state line, so we should know.
From Scotland
To Ireland!
I see you.
You see me? I see you.
Talaga naka-video to. Ay! Kanina pa siya naka-video.
I did this dance he loved. Whisper to him my dirty secret, yo. Classic mind and soul. We danced to the trombone. Didn't never look back as I laid in his arms. Right then she got crazy. We just left on the fog lights. Whatever.
That's it. Hi, girls. Hi. You alright? Mag-bike daw si Jeneline.
After. Generally talaga.
May bike. Oh, sa'yo to kasi may basket.
Mary Poppins.
Ang taon pa din. Ladies, harap. Actually, naka-video yan.
Ay, medyo ba? Ano ba yan?
Ito
na naman to.
Medj, explain where we're going.
We're going to Aran Islands.
Yes!
Sorry. Hi. Yeah, we're going to Aran Islands.
There's Inishmore, Inisheer, and the other one I don't remember, but we're gonna go to Inishmore. Don't ask me to spell it because I don't know how.
It took me far from home. He said this place I know.
This is our last stop.
Daming tao. Daming nag-aantay. That way. That way.
Talagang ano siya. Island.
Kami, nasa island siya.
Hindi kami bagay sa iyo.
Laking Bali.
Laking bali.
Laking bali siya.
Nainit siya kanina eh.
Taga-Aran Island pala.
Do we need to pay him na?
Later na.
Later na.
Baka mamaya tatakot tayo. Yeah.
Oh, he stayed.
Half of the fillet was made here and the other half was up in Ackle in Mayo.
Oh, wow.
That's gorgeous.
That's so cool. Bakit? Bakit kami naglalakad?
Nabudol tayo dun ah.
Nabudol kami ni Manong dyan. Naku po. So try namin pumunta sa Cliff of Moher. O'Hare na maglalakad kami. 'Di ba? Si Manong dyan talaga inutakan kami. Bye.
Yes.
Kasama ang seafood. Yung hindi natuloy yung Cliff of Moher viewing, natauwi sa food trip.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ang taxi kasi nakaharang. Ano ba yan? Panira naman.
Panira naman.
Go!
Day. Kasi lang bayad, Day.
Ako sa may bow. Okay?
Very old man street. Monks and saints was here until was burned down by Cromwell's men.
Oh, this one. Wow.
And St. Kieran was here now. That bit, Clonmacnice, that's up in near Dublin. Clonmacnice after leaving this bit. So do you want to have 10 minutes look here?
Yes.
And then we go over to the beach if you want to.
Yes, thank you.
No problem.
Monique Ruins.
Ganda.
Ah, she loves it. Okay, let's go.
She loves the movies.
Let's go for it. Iniwan ko yung bag ko.
Let's go around down here.
Ang ganda.
Para akong may ulcer.
Imagine mo monks lived on this island. Walang electricity back then.
Oo.
Like, completely cut off.
Saan siya pupunta?
Babalikan nito tayo. Ayan. Sorry. Na-excite ako sa berries. Ang layo na narating niya. It's actually very lovely.
Man, magtabi-tabi po kaya dyan, ha?
Tabi-tabi po.
This is the one of the 7 churches ba to?
7 churches, yeah. So imagine mo completely cut off from the rest of the world.
Where's Louise? It's good. It's nice. We are in Aran Island. We took a what? Aran Island. We took a ferry to come here. It's an island. Here. I told you I sent you a map. It's really nice though.
I'm surprised. It was age 9 years.
Yes.
Ganda. With the sun.
So yung kaibigan namin dito, gusto niyang mag-swim. On you go. To sat.
Talaga?
Aha.
I really love that.
Beach tayo, ladies.
Walang chinelas, walang we're not ready. Ay, naku talaga.
Ay,
Yung
naku
mga dala ko
talaga.
kahapon, dapat dinala ko ngayon. Baliktad talaga kayo.
May chinelas siyang dala kahapon, actually. Hi! Hello! Hello! She had a swimsuit, but she did not use it. She did not bring any towel as well, but she would like to swim. Hello, Doogie! Hi! Nagpaspasa siya nung seaweeds. Go, 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 go! Collie. talaga siya. More deep pa. I'll send you the video.
Gosh, Tab, ang tagal ko na hindi nakapag-oxtail.
Sarap-sarap.
Sarap-sarap.
Sarap.
Malapit lang yun.
Luto ako, pwede pala kita i-message.
Oo. Pupuntahan ko yan agad. Saksyones. Alam mo, pag umuwi ako na Pilipinas, kare-kare in-order ko.
Ako din. Nung nagpiko de loro kami, yun talaga ang in-order ko. Sabi ng mga kapatid ko, Manang, sabi ko, kare-kare please. Tapos sabi ko talaga, ang sarap ng kare-kare nila, Dinos. Kasi hindi ko makain ng baka. Pero grabe, as in talaga, ang sarap ng ano dun, ng pagkain ng sa Pico de Loro. Oh, Pico de Loro, baka naman. Oh, look at that! It's amazing! Oh my God! Look! Oh!
Wow!
Oh! It's just...
Somebody's bored. I mean, you just pile these rocks and stones on top of each other. There's nothing to bind them together.
Oh no, there's special way to put them to marry. One would hold the other one like they're like that for hundreds if not thousands of years. Like.
That's amazing.
I hope to see it from that gone. They were there all day now in here. But when the tide comes in, then they'll go out fishing.
Look at that. My goodness me.
Oh my gosh.
There's two of them there. I think they're the pups, the grey ones.
Oh,
They
that's
don't-
so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They didn't know the head what they were saying. See, the next thing they spotted, oh the fucker.
Oh.
Organic potatoes, you grow, we used to grow.
Are those flowery potatoes?
Very flowery potatoes, yes.
You know now the flowery potatoes, the different potatoes, Midge, ha?
That's the only potato I know.
Nandun sila sa room 23.
Sa'yo, Doritos.
Ikaw, ano dito sa'yo?
Cheers! Ah, diba? Ang ganda nila. Nag-wine sila.
So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up.